For crying out loud! Don't believe that!
From Mitrovic, the number 9 on his back, 25 goals this season. This will take him out in front as the top scorer. The goalkeeper, Joe Wildsmith, on his line, bouncing up and down. Number 9, the main man for Fulham, Alexander Mitrovic, steps up, right-footed, no mistake.
I told you not to look for everything, it's 15. Yeah. Whoa, did you look? Maybe you thought you had enough room.
And the good thing about the playoffs, which it's good and it's bad in some ways, is that the teams know exactly who they're playing. They've already played against them twice, so you know they know the tactics, they know the players really, really well, and then it becomes a good tactical battle then between the managers as well. How can we set the team up to get the better of the opposition?
I wonder as well if there's something in the heartache of the player.
Really well, and then it becomes a good tactical battle then between the managers as well. How can we set the team up to get the better of the opposition?
I wonder as well if there's something in the heartache of the playoffs, because Fulham have had a little...
Generally start off the seasons really well because they're rolling on with the momentum, and the teams who kind of losing the playoffs, or it normally takes them 5 or 6 weeks before they get themselves going again, because losing the playoffs, or it normally takes them 5 or 6 weeks before they get themselves going again, because it does take a lot of you need to slowly kind of turn that disappointment around.
But you won't have that, will you, the team, because it's the 4th of August, and if the season gets going...
Just me and all the red lights, keep on driving and driving.
We've got a dash cam as well. We've got something square. Oh, that was a red one now. I would think you have to bang.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining.